The Hashira. Yo, what's up, guys? How are you all? So today we're playing Roblox Rivals with my guy Hollow Game, and here start the 2v2, little bro. Okay. By the way, he's asking me names of Demon Slayer characters because I don't know most of them. He is the Snake Hashira. Start the 2v2.
Who is
Snake
Mystery
Hashira.
Kanoroji?
The Love Hashira. His future wife.
Yeah, name is you forget. He is Senjiro.
Tanjiro?
Future
Sanjiro.
Senjiro.
The son of Tanjiro.
Wrong.
Who?
Tanjiro doesn't have a
Who is Tanjiro?
Senjiro. He is the father of Rengoku.
Bro,
Sorry,
that guy, I
Rengoku.
don't even like that guy. I hate him
No,
actually.
no, bro. No, sorry, not Rengoku. Rengoku. He is
Is it
Rengoku's goat.
Rengoku is his probably his brother of Rengoku.
No. For me, it's he's Rengoku because he's a goat.
No. Bro, like what the hell actually? That's too cringe. Like it's too cringe. I'm getting cooked.
I need to quickly med.
Okay, do. Let me just quick mail. I did a half mail. Now ask more questions. Ask more questions. You know what? I'm also going to use it. Ask questions.
Forget it, bro. It's not currently time. I changed my cursor screen because I think this might be better.
Where did the spear go? I was waiting for the spear. I'm cooked.
He's using the AR, the rifle me. We need one of us needs
Yeah,
to
what
use
the
smoke
hell?
grenade.
Everyone is using Molotovs.
Okay, one of us needs to use smoke grenade, bro. Wait, the medkit stops burning.
Yeah.
Ahmed, I think either you or me need to use smoke grenade. You miss.
Yeah, you do it. I don't know how to use it. I'm going to use the AR. AR of Justice.
I'm going to continue using the burst.
Use smoke. Run.
I was gonna throw it, but since I'm seeing I'm busy,
Busy.
he's behind you.
I know it. Aim Pro Max.
Yeah,
I know, bro. I'm not like you.
yeah, he has a build like me.
Yes, but I can see because I'm on PC. How am I about to die?
You're hitting air. Air is not your enemy, Ahmed. Air is your friend.
Who told you? Oh, obviously shotgun. Obviously shotgun spammer.
That trap is so OP.
You don't have a very good idea. This might be a very bad one at the same time. Yeah,
Probably
it's a
anyone
bad
can
one.
do
Never
that.
mind. It's a bad one. It's a bad one. Bro, everywhere there are Molotovs. Let me heal real quick.
He's still on full HP. He's using the spray though. Bro, how do we kill them? We can't. We need to stun them on top. You missed. That you missed.
Yes, son.
You're gonna lose to the spray, bro. The spray, not even AR, the spray.
But look what I'm using. The sniper. The freaking sniper.
Why are you using the sniper, bro?
I may not have a
I
brain,
can.
gentlemen. I don't even have. Oh, I got an idea. Don't put down smoke grenades. Good little bro.
If he comes up, I will attack him.
I am using RPG. Rest in pieces, Granny. She got hit by a bazooka.
Does
550
he go?
damage. Nah. I did 100 damage to him. I could cool them. What the hell was your use?
Yeah, you see the burst is. Yeah, you see the burst is good.
Can you see the RPG is OP?
Okay, RPG and paintball gun. If they're using that, then I'm gonna be using spear straight
Bro,
away.
why paintball? I don't like paintball gun actually. I can work with RPG, but paintball gun is too much. Paintball gun is too much.
If you want to do this, then fine. We can do this. If not, you want to sniper this, and then
Don't use smoke
this.
grenade. The missed Hashira, the love
Bro,
Hashira. Cooked one. How are you using the sniper? Do you have a brain?
never mind. I just use the medkit now.
Yeah,
I killed the paintball at least, even if it was at my own life. Using the revolver as well, I may add.
I know that. He is only using the revolver, I may add. Bro, he's not coming down.
And when he comes down, he runs to the other side. Ahmad, Molotov. If you have Molotov, oh, why is it using the handgun out of all weapons?
Accidentally chosen.
This is your fault.
Yeah. Okay,
You couldn't
ask me
even
more
run it.
names. Ask me more names. Ask me more names.
Who is Urukodaki?
Okay, I don't know that guy.
He is the master of Gyu no Yoga and Tanki Kamado.
Bro, that guy, the mask guy.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
think
who is
he's
Aiki?
what? That guy
Who
called
is Aiki?
Uratokaki. His name is Uratotaki.
I said Urukodaki. Okay, who
No,
is
his name
Oi?
is Uratotaki.
I said Urukodaki.
Orototaki.
It's not Urukodaki. It's Urukodaki.
Orototaki. Orototaki.
Uratotaki.
Orototaki.
Because you have so much aura.
Okay, what is his name?
Urukodaki. That's his name is
Orototaki. Okay, now what?
Urukodaki. Not Uratotaki. Urukodaki.
Okay, what after the Orototaki?
Where did he shoot me from? Okay, wait, bro. I need to quickly half med.
Bro, you're popping meds. Well, I'm stuck in a
Outside, I
wall.
am.
He used subspace strip mine. He's base
From
camping
where?
from here.
Where is he?
On my free.
I couldn't even see him, man.
What were you doing? Seriously. I did all the
He's
work
gonna
this
go from
round.
the other side. Other side.
I did all the work this time.
Yeah. Mainly because I accidentally opened my scope and I was not supposed to do that.
Okay, what? Next name. I ain't gonna let him
Who
this
is
game.
killed the base camper?
And I'm killing the other one. Almost dead. 20 HP. Max. GG. Why did you steal my
I
kill?
scared. Let me tell you what happened. I just jumped behind his face and I just hit him in the head skull with the RPG.
Simple. You stole my kill. I'm cooking the base camper with my flares. With everybody. Killed one.
Gonna quickly med.
You do mad.
Oh, that! Oh, that! He just came to my face. You just stared at it. I started quickly half my. I needed to full med. I was a pussy.
Wait a sec. Sorry.
I was Molotov.
Nah, I'd win. Okay, listen. Who are you?
I'm Numan.
What is my name?
Yeah,
What is my name? What is my name? What is my name? I popped a full med. I'm
guess
back
someone
to
want to
die.
kill me inside. Bro, there is something
Bro, what
behind
did
us.
you do?
Bro, I'm using the Molotov. Okay, not fine. Med it is. I'm using the med.
Bro, listen. Ask me more names. And easier ones. Like Murata. Bro, just ask me already. I'm going to be a sacrifice.
Ragnarok.
Pop half a med.
He's behind me, isn't he? He's behind me, isn't he?
I don't know. I'm dead. Bro, you don't know how to use the RPG, do you? I'm using AR
No, I
next round.
don't.
What's the best counter for RPG? Bro, what the actual hell?
Oh my gosh,
Deserved.
50 damage.
Actually deserved. Okay. Ask me the next name.
Bro, forget the names. Because of the names, we cannot focus.
Bro, freak the game. Actually, we can't win now. Never mind. I did 100 damage to this. Oh, never mind. We
I know.
can't win. Ask the next name. You are no use. Oh,
He's
ask the
just
next.
jumping.
Ask the next name.
Okay. Wait, let me think. Let me think. Muichi Tokito.
Muchiro, I know that guy.
Who?
The Mist Hashira.
Who is Shanami Suzugawa?
Who? The
Shanami
Wind
Suzugawa.
Hashira. The Wind
Who is
Hashira.
Ken?
Ken
Who is
Ekon?
Kenya?
The brother of
Kenya Suzugawa.
the brother of Sanemi. Whatever he's called, the Wind Hashira. Sanemi, I think.
Shanami. Okay,
Yeah.
wait. Let me think of who is uh Gyume?
Uh, I know who it is.
Who is Gyume, huh?
I know. It
Why
is
am I
just.
missing a word again? Bro, where's missing a word?
It is at the tongue. It is at the tip of my tongue, but I can't tell. Can you tell the name again?
Gyume Hijime.
Guillaume. Guillaume is him, bro. Guillaume is him. The Hashira. The
With Hashra.
stone Hashira.
Correct.
The strongest Hashira.
No, not in history.
The stone Hashira, I said.
Yeah, you said the strongest Hashra, and I said wrong. Yorishi. No, actually, yeah, he is the strongest Hashra.
He's the strongest Hashira. What are you talking
Yori.
about?
Yeah, I was gonna say Yorichi, but then I remembered by the time Yorichi was alive, the Hashra did not exist.
Yeah. The Hashira, the type of shit was made after. Bro, this guy just spams Exogun.
Okay, I think someone is on red, bro. Oh my gosh, that guy, kill me.
He didn't kill you.
The other guy, he has half.
Come on, everybody.
He's half. He's half.
No, not my fault, bro. It was a 2v1, but I still got them low. Okay, listen. Tell me the next name. Bro, it is fun with names, actually, if you're losing.
Yeah, we are losing. We'll do this after one round.
Okay. If we win this round, if we win this round, you will ask me names. Someone is coming to you. I wanted to help you, but bro just jumped down. Yeah, bro, how did that not hit?
Bro, I don't know. I just hit him. You can. Let me
Make
see.
him in my range. Make him come in my range. He is in my range, but I can't hit a single shot. Should I come close range to help you? Yeah, I'm
What do
coming
you
close
have?
range.
No,
Knife,
no, you
bro,
don't have
knife.
anything. I know it.
I am a knifer.
Of course
Okay,
you do.
ask me a name. Ask me a name. Ask me a name. Hurry up. Ask me a name.
Bro, forget it. Let's just play. Okay, I will ask you after we win one. After we win one match.
Okay, we are not doing that. I wasted 2 bullets and made them waste 2.
Yeah, bro, how are you using bro?
Bro, the freaking flamethrower.
How are you not hitting backstab? Stab,
Tell
use the
me the
backstab.
one reason I should hit backstab. They're
Bro, I hate this. Bro, I landed at you, bro. This thing is. I hate this. It's all because we're in Singapore and I have shooting lag.
Bro, you know everything about anime, right? Tell me who Murata is. You know him.
Who? Bro, there are
Murata,
seven
the
gods. How
Demon
are
Slayer
you?
guy. The guy who's alive till the end. How the
Oh,
Hashiras are dead
Murata?
and yeah, that
Bro, who? Say the name again. I didn't get the name.
Murata.
Murata.
Yeah, that guy is alive till the end, and the Hashiras
I
are dead.
know,
How is
I
that
know.
possible?
I
How the
know.
hell is that possible?
I know who he is. And I
I
know how, and I know who's alive.
I may add, bro was about to die from Drui, but Hashira saved him, and that Hashira died before him.
No, bro.
So no, I know, bro. I know. I'm just trying to make a cinematic vibe. I know most of the names now.
Bro, forget it. Just go to the match.
I can't do that one thing only. You can ask me anything and again. But I'm too bad to be a level 105.
They're tagging me, bro.
I'm coming. Where are they? I'm trying to RPG him. You run. I will RPG him. I will not trying to. I
I
will
did.
RPG him. I did 50 damage to him. He did 50 damage to me. But you are an extra support on me. Bro, can you please kill him for me?
Now,
He's 50 HP. 50 HP and spamming exo gun.
where is? Bring him in my range.
He is in your range. Bro saying bring him in my leg like he's not in your range. Bro, you can't do anything in life, can you?
Not in my
Wait,
range.
I'll have to kill him.
Bro, you
Wait.
both keep moving. I can't see him.
Obviously, we keep moving because I'm trying to hit each other. Okay, ask me a name. Ask me a name. Hurry up.
Bro, forget the name. After we win a match, I will ask you. Can you not understand that?
Tell me who Megume is. Megurmer is.
Oh, shut up. Please let me win the match, okay? You might not want to win the match, but I want to win.
Oh, I can see how much you want to win. The Jizba.
Bro, you had one job to see that AR guy is busy, so my auto aim doesn't target him, but no.
But your auto aim decided now, Edwin. I want to die. I don't want to play. I'm just playing because I need to have
Someone help you
content.
actually. He's behind you.
Bro, what am I supposed to do? There are two things. Wait, let me use AR.
Now make sure that we keep them busy so I can snipe them. That's my entire point of you going close.
So I'm a
You are dying
sacrifice.
by
I am a
not me killing you.
sacrifice. Just say that already. I'm a sacrifice. I'm gonna sacrifice the rook. I'm just trying to. I'm sacrificing myself. What are you doing? You had one job. And you're doing that job properly. Thank God. Bro, disrespect. I'm going to do my job. I'm going to do my job again. I'm about to be a
I'm going here.
self-destruct guy.
They're gonna come here. I know it.
I know it for a fact. Where are they? They're not here. Oh shit, here we go again. I flared him. You can do something. One is using minigun. Someone is using minigun.
Where's the black guy? Okay, so yeah, one of the other sniped me.
Okay, you can't do anything. I was a sacrifice all along. Why am I killing him? I'm supposed to be a sacrifice.
Bro, he was on 50 HP. I came close because you are useless.
Bro, this
You
is
are doing
cheating.
the
They are two. And using minigun. One is using minigun. I'm popping a full med. Don't care why, when or how.
too
Pop the
stupid to
full
handle.
med. How, bro? Why? You had one job. You had one job.
And bro, your job is to keep them busy.
I did keep them busy.
Oh yeah, but you're keeping them busy behind the area where I can't see.
That's not my problem. Okay,
That
sorry,
is
that is my problem. Oh,
no, you
no.